Alright, bro.
See you later, bro.
Yep.
Officially.
Yep.
What did you say to me?
The glow stick, it doesn't make enemy angry, right?
I think so. Look at this, by the way. This is an artifact right here.
What is that? Okay, we did it. Oh, an artifact.
Okay.
Sleepers.
We're asleep.
Sleepers.
Bro, we know. Where? Oh my
Bishop.
god.
If I spear one in the head, will it alert the others?
Yes.
Well, Bishop just did it.
Huh?
Did you see that, Jess?
I heard it.
And it's all fine. It's okay. So I'm gonna spear this guy.
Yeah, I think if you insta-kill him with the stealth knife, it doesn't alert anybody.
Thank you for teaching us this valuable lesson, Bishop.
I fucking...
Ow.
What the?
Is
Bishop
Bishop?
went for the smack? Okay. Hello, Bishop? He split a dude in half in front of me?
Alright, Bishop.
We probably have to go through here, guys. It's the only other way, right? Bishop! He pointed at the door and just said, big door.
I'm so sad I used my phone.
I found ammo! Don't call me a whore.
Yeah, why'd you call her a whore?
It's right here, Sky. Pick it up.
Me? I didn't say anything, I swear. Where did it go?
Fuck, Bishop is...
Huh? Where'd it go?
I think I can surmise. Alright, everyone sniff your fingers.
Ryan? Her
Yup.
friend? Hello? Why did you do that so fast?
I was attacking.
Stay on it.
Okay. Well. Bro, calm down. What the fuck? Pop him open.
He was boned.
Yes. He was bones.
Yeah.
We're doing good things here.
Okay, there we go.
There we go. Fucking hell.
We're literally God.
Pray!
Charge.
Charge. Go.
What the hell? She spun around.
She twirl-arena.
She twirl-arena'd!
We got her though.
We got her, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, cool.
She twirl arena.
Yeah, I'll get a
Okay.
right leg.
Alright, next
Charging.
time she charges up.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
I hit her in the head, it's fine.
She twirl-arena.
Get her legs, get her legs! She's boning!
She's... Oh my god. Look at that! What the fuck?
Yeah, what the hell? Alright, I'm in
Further
left leg.
charge. Okay, she's charging, I'm hitting. Beep.
That thing's gone.
God damn.
We're like the nutty professor. Hello.
554.
Oh, cool, it's this way.
Okay.
Terminal.
Thank you, Bishop.
He's so nice.
I forgot where we were. Also, if I...
Ah! Who give a shit?
Who give a shit? Who's behind me?
What? Okay.
Girl, stop freaking out.
What is our plan?
Kill them all.
Oh shit!
I guess we start now.
It's
It
okay, we
works.
did it.
Look out, look out. Don't go over there. Ryan, I
God.
just shot you! I think it's literally over. Help me. Fuck you. She's dodging it! Stop dodging me!
She's got tactics.
Okay.
Save me first. It doesn't matter.
Wait, Bishop still says he has a tool.
Med pack and tool refill. Oh my god, he doesn't though. Just trust me.
Wait.
If you
I
have
still
a
have
lock
ammo.
belter, actually, I
Where did
might
this come
just.
from?
No, he grabbed the med kit.
He's using it on me. He's using it on you. What is he doing? He's crazy.
Hey, can you calm down?
He's picking up the tool refill kit.
What's wrong with him?
He's greedy. What the hell?
You've changed, man. I'm walking over here.
I wish I knew what the terminal
Hey,
was.
terminal.
Whoops.
What is this? French press.